we have now got a clear look at the Redmi 17 5G before it even launches. A fresh set of renders, shared by tech outlet 91 Mobiles, shows the phone in 3 colors: orange, black, and blue. The former uses a vegan leather back that should feel grippier in hand than the glossy finishes on the black and blue versions. The phone measures 170.12 by 74.42 by 8.8 mm and weighs 235 grams. Features a 6.9-inch HD Plus LCD display supporting a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. It includes a side fingerprint scanner, powered by the 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 chipset for power-efficient 5G connectivity. Features a 50MP primary rear camera paired with an 8MP front-facing selfie camera. The phone running is a 7500 mAh cell with 45W charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.